Hi everyone, welcome to my latest Lightroom tutorial. Today we will learn to make the preset you can see on the screen. Here are some before and after pictures. If you would like the original preset file, you can download it for free by finding the password in this tutorial. Detailed instructions can be found in the description. Let's begin. Open the basic section. Temp plus 15. Tint plus 15. Contrast plus 30. Highlights minus 40. Shadows plus 30. Whites minus 30. Blacks plus 10. Texture plus 20. Clarity plus 10. Dehaze plus 20. Vibrance plus 30. Saturation minus 20. Let's go to the tone curve. Edit the main curve this way. Modify the blue curve this way. Open the HSL section. Red. Saturation, minus 10. Luminance, minus 10. Orange. Saturation, minus 30. Luminance, plus 15. Yellow. Hue, minus 100. Saturation, minus 100. Luminance, minus 20. Green. Saturation, minus 100. Aqua. Saturation, minus 100. Blue. Saturation, minus 100. Luminance, minus 30. Purple. Saturation, -100. Magenta. Saturation, -100. Open the color grading section. Change the highlights. Hue, +250. Saturation, +10. Blending, +100. Ensure Remove Chromatic Aberration is ticked in Lens Corrections. Open the Effects section. Post-crop vignetting. Amount, -30. Midpoint, +10. Roundness, +25. And we're finished. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.